Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Get up. She gets up early to exercise. Brush up. We brush up on vocabulary before exams. Eat out. They eat out on weekends for a treat. Pick up. He picks up groceries on his way home. Look for. She looks for her keys before leaving. Turn on. Please turn on the lights in the room. Turn off. He turns off the TV before bedtime. Sit down. Let's sit down and have a chat. Stand up. Everyone stands up for the national anthem. Go out. They go out for a walk in the evening. Come in. Please come in and make yourself comfortable. Go to bed. We go to bed early on weekdays. Get in. He gets in the car and starts the engine. Get out. She gets out of the bus at the next stop. Put on. He puts on a jacket before going out. Take off. She takes off her shoes when entering the house. Look at. They look at photos from their vacation. Talk to. I talk to my friend on the phone. Listen to. We listen to music during dinner. Give up. Don't give up on your dreams. Break up. They break up after years of dating. Make up. Friends make up after a small argument. Think about. She thinks about her future career. Write down. He writes down important notes in class. Read about. We read about interesting topics online. Come over. Can you come over for dinner tonight? Go away. Please go away. I need some quiet. Come back. They come back for vacation tomorrow. Take care of. She takes care of her younger siblings. Check in. We check in at the hotel upon arrival. Check out. They check out of the library with books. Get ready. He gets ready for work in the morning. Call back. I'll call you back in a few minutes. Give away. We give away old clothes to charity. Look after. She looks after her neighbor's cat. Turn up. Please turn up the volume on the radio. Turn down. He turns down the offer politely. Fill up. They fill up the car's gas tank. Run out of. We run out of milk and need to buy more. Hang out. Friends hang out at the park on weekends. Log in. She logs in her computer with a password. Log out. He logs out of the social media account. Ask out. He asks her out on a date. Set up. They set up a tent for camping. Break down. The car breaks down on the highway. Find out. We find out about the news online. Look up. He looks up word in dictionary. Show up. They show up to the party on time. Listen and answer, and count your correct answers. Which picture is wake up? Get up. Brush up. Eat out. Pick up. Look for. Turn off. Turn on. Stand up. Sit down. Go out. Come in. Go to bed. Get in. Get out. Put on. Take off. Look at. Talk to. Listen to. Give up. Break up. Make up. Think about. Write down. Read about. Come over. Ask out. Set up. Break down. Find out. Look up. And the last one is show up.